$1,600 profit in just 20 minutes today on SPX 0 DTE 6405 put options using the SPX Daily Key Levels indicator from Day Trading GPS. We're looking at a chart of today's session for Wednesday, August 20th, 2025 for the SPX on a 2-minute chart. Today's bull bear key price level given by the indicator was 6406.50, so that is bearish below and bullish above the bull bear key price level. We have the 9:30 open candle here. The 9:30 opening candle crossed below and closed below the 6406.50 bull bear key price level. That triggers a signal for entering the put. The 6405 strike is the entry strike that we'll be using on this trade because that is the closest strike price to the 6406.50 bull bear key price level. The conservative entry on it is to wait for the candle close. The candle close on this candle for this option 6405 put is $12.60. If you wanted to buy it earlier in the candle, you could have bought it cheaper, but again, the conservative approach is to buy it on the candle close to make sure the candle does in fact close below the bull bear key price level. Your standard stop loss using this indicator is to use the first midpoint level above the BBKPL, which in this case is mid BBKPL R1, which is 6412.44. On a put entry, which is bearish, you would be using the first midpoint above. If instead this had closed above and we were taking a call entry instead, then your standard stop loss would be the first midpoint level below the bull bear KPL. So if XPX on this particular trade reversed and moved back up and hit this midpoint level, then you'd be stopped out. In this case, we had a continued waterfall move down. When the XPX hits the S1 level here for today of 63.94.63, the 6405 put that we bought at 12.60 is now 17.60 on this candle close. At 9:50 a.m., when XPX hits the S2 level, the 6405 put on this candle close is now 28.60. We bought it at 12.60, so that is a $1,600 profit per put option. At 9:56, when XPX hits the mid S2, S3 level, the 6405 put on this candle close is 36.45 after hitting a high of 41.88 intra-candle. At 10:08, which is roughly 40 minutes later from the put entry, XPX hits the S3 level of 63.59.04. The 6405 put is now at 48.15 on this candle close, which would give you a $3,555 profit per 6405 put option. You can purchase the SPX Daily Key Levels indicator at www.wap.com/SPX indicator. You get lifetime access with this indicator for one payment. You can also email us at daytradinggps@gmail.com and we will send you a promo code that will give you a discount off of the normal price. So email us at daytradinggps@gmail.com and request the promo code, and we will send you the discount promo code to use for this indicator.